Hello. If it's your first time to visit my channel, I welcome you. And this video is just meant for you as a beginner on YouTube. I'll be rolling other videos so as to help you grow and succeed in the YouTube journey. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm just here to show you how you can upload videos to your channel, and this is how you do it. This is the channel dashboard that you're looking at. So once I'm in, what I have to do, or what you have to do, is you navigate to the right there. You see that icon there? That's why you have to click. You click there and you see options. You can either go live or upload a video. So I'm gonna click upload a video there. Okay, boom, and this one will load up. So what you do is you click select file. It's one and the same process, be it that you are doing it from your PC or you're doing it from your phone. You'll be able to see such features as this. So you just take a chill pill and folders will load. Okay, so once the folders load, what you need to do is you trace the file. So obviously you know where you had actually saved the file. It's a file that you had come up with after you had done the recording and the editing, and now you just have to upload a fine-tuned file. So you click music. I'm not saying you need to find the files in the music folder. This is where my file is. So I need to look it up here and where it is. Okay, here we go. Weekly simultaneous setting up a YouTube channel for success. So now before you do anything, it's very important that you change the name of the file in line with the title. So I'm going to change up this before I upload it. Okay, so that it does well on YouTube. So let me just do that in the background. Okay, so once I'm done, I can select the file, then hit open. That will start loading. Okay, boom. So here we go. We have details here. In the first box, we have to punch in the title. So initially, I used to stress, because I had little knowledge about how to punch in all this. So what you have to do is you make sure that you make use of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been of great help to me from the time I took a short course which was called Artificial Intelligence for All. So let me show you how I make use of ChatGPT. So I explained to ChatGPT that I've created a video wherein I have demonstrated how to set up a brand YouTube channel for success in 2025. I have demonstrated how to set up a channel profile picture as well as a banner. I have demonstrated how to turn on feature eligibility functions and how to work around advanced features. I have demonstrated how to use ChatGPT to craft keywords and description of the channel. I have further demonstrated how to add managers to the channel and how to verify one's phone number, create a title and description as well as hashtags for the video. And I hit enter. And ChatGPT came up with this. Title, how to set up successive brand YouTube channel for 2025. You see that? So I can copy this, then head back to my channel. Head back to my channel and then punch in that. You've seen that? Then I can go to description. Let me close up all this so that I don't get confused. All right, so now let's head back so that we copy the description. So I simply copy everything, including the hashtags, right? Hit copy, then head back to my channel. Then paste in the description and we're done with that part. So the next thing is to create a thumbnail. A thumbnail is very important because it's the one that makes your video clickable. It has to be something that should stand out, and it should be intriguing to those people who are making searches on YouTube. So I'll be showing you how to create thumbnails using ChatGPT as well as Canva. Okay, so let's scroll down. Then we choose playlist. So the playlist is the one I'm gonna just add to this playlist that I'd created. If you didn't see the first video, you have to see it so as to learn how to create playlists. So I'm gonna hit done and then scroll down, check out other features, and then they're asking here, let me close this. I say playlist audience. To which audience are you rolling out this video? So you have to specify here. So here it has been specified, and we have actually ticked in here where it reads, no, it's not meant for kids. I actually set up this when I was setting up my channel. Okay, then I can scroll down. If your video contains paid promotions like product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement, you have to check in here a product placement. Okay, I'm gonna click there, then scroll down and I say altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. If any of those define or describe your content, you can check in here. Yes, but since it doesn't, my content doesn't fall under any of those, I'm gonna check in here and then scroll down. All these have been ticked in. Automatic chapters, allow, then allow automatic places, automatic concepts. Then I'm gonna go to tags. Tags are very important because those are the keywords that people will be punching in on YouTube as they're searching for content. So if they match with the tags, your video will actually pop up. So I'm gonna click all these, but remember, under the description there are these, okay, the hashtags. I can copy all these one by one and just make sure that I separate them. Let me demonstrate. Brand YouTube channel. So I'm gonna scroll down here and then punch in that brand YouTube channel. If I want to type another one, I just have to click the comma so as to separate this element from the others. So I need to punch in all those, but I don't want this video to be too long. So since I've demonstrated how to do this with one, you're able to follow through and do the same. So I'm going to scroll down and then select the video language. So I'm going to go to English. And then certification here, make sure you go by this content has never aired on television in the US. And then the date, this is the 1st of December. Then video location, I'm going to punch in USA. And then scroll down. Okay, so once you are done here, you can hit next and make sure that you have uploaded the thumbnail here. Okay, upload the thumbnail and then you hit next. And then from here you need to add end screen. An end screen is what people need to watch after they watch this video. So I'm gonna click add, and something will actually pop up. Let's do this. Okay, so here we go. So we can click element there. Hope you're able to see where element is. Just click element. If you want to connect this video to another video, you can actually click on some of these templates here, but I want to click element, then go by playlist. So the playlists that are on your channel will pop up. Now, since it's a brand new channel, I only have one playlist, so I'm going to hit the, and boom, there we go. So I can now save after I'm done with all these. Okay, so that has been saved, and I will need to click next. So those are the features that I've skipped. Those are dealt with, especially after your channel has been monetized. Okay, those features will be fully functional. So here, when you check on top, there's details. We have already punched in the details. Then we have video element, and then we have checks, then visibility. Visibility, we can click next so as to set up that. Now, if you want, you can hit public so that the moment the video is fully uploaded, it happens to go public. It happens to be publicized so that consumers on YouTube begin to consume it. Or you can set it as private so that when you are done with all the settings, that's when you can upload it. Or when you know that, well, this is a time when people happen to watch from my channel, you can now release the video. So what I'll do is I'll schedule this, say schedule when the video will actually be publicized. So I'm gonna click the downward pointing arrow and I will go by 5th, and it will be publicized at 12 a.m. and then hit schedule. Okay, so I've scheduled it so that I'm able to upload the thumbnail and pasting those other tags properly in my own time at my own pace. But at least I've actually shown you the basics that you need to have. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you turn on the notification bell. It's very important to turn on the notification bell because anytime I roll out a video, you will be notified. Well, stay blessed.